In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11S, and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select digital well-being and parental controls. And here you've got the general stats. If you will tap in the middle of the screen again, you will be able to check the previous days of usage and also the time spent on a particular app. So as you can see, for example, camera I've been in use for 1.5 hour yesterday. So this is it. This is how you can check time spent on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.